Welcome back to Guaranty RV Supercenter here in Junction City, Oregon. I found a break in the rain, so I thought I'd spend some time with you. Today, we're going to be looking at the Winnebago 22R. This is a 2017. This is a used unit. Let's go take a look inside. This is a beautiful, compact unit. You've got 23 feet. You can park this thing anywhere. You can take it anywhere. You've got a nice corner bed with some great storage up top. This size unit, for this Winnebago, it doesn't lack storage, which is great. You've got your emergency exit window, and it comes equipped with the corner bathroom, which gives you a little bit of extra room in there. You've got your skylight above the shower, decent storage. Next to the bathroom, you've got your full wardrobe. Look how large this is. You can store your clothes or anything else you may need. You've got more drawers down here. You've got a top and bottom nor cold refrigerator and freezer. Your microwave, of course, your fan, 3-burner cooktop, and then you also have an oven in this. Now, I like this model because of the booth. This booth, you can sit quite a few people. It'll also go down and give you a sleeping area, and the table can move. So if you're playing a game of cards and you want a little bit of extra space on either side, you can absolutely do that. More storage up top here, and it's not lacking sleeping area. You have the bed over the cab, windows so you get a little bit of light and can see out. Your TV is going to be to your right, and that's on a swing arm. Down here in the cockpit, this is a Ford. It's on a Ford chassis. You're going to have your backup cameras, your radio, all the normal stuff up here. So as you can see, this does have pretty decent storage. First, you've got this little area here. And then you've got this storage area, which you can reach from multiple points on the unit. You can reach it from the passenger side or from the rear. This also has a full-length awning. Get that out, get some chairs put out here, you'll be all set. Here's the rear access point for that storage. Over here behind the coach, you've got your gas, your propane fill, your city lines, and then this does come equipped with a Cummins 4,000 watt generator. And again, this is on a E350 chassis. If you have any questions on this unit or any of the other units that we've got here at Guaranty, give me a call. My name's Brandy.Morgan. Our phone number here is 541-998-1148. Hope to talk to you soon.